Hey everybody, I'm Scott Kelby and this is your Photo Tip Friday. So I'm going to give you a tip about something that you're already paying for and you don't realize it. If you have any kind of Adobe subscription, you've got a free, beautiful, awesome online portfolio waiting for you to unlock it. Go to myportfolio.com and you get this page right here. You're going to log in with your Adobe username and ID and create your portfolio, and you can have it up and running tonight. Go over here to examples, which is the second part of my tip. They put a bunch of websites of other photographers and designers, all their different layouts. If you see one, you say, ooh, I'd like my site to look like that. It tells you right there on that page where you were looking that they use the theme called Thomas. So when you go to create yours, you're going to start by choosing the theme called Thomas, and you can build it out. Now, if you want a whole bunch more tips like this, I just did a class on the latest version of Adobe Portfolio. So go check it out exclusively here at KelbyOne.com.